The next lecture is all about the file directory and how you can access the file directory and what you can do with it. Now, I'm not going to spend an enormous amount of time here because I'm going to encourage you again to play with this stuff. You can change directories, you can find out where your code is running and so on. So let's just do some examples to get a flavor of how this works from our previous videos, which I'm hoping that you did play with. In order to access the file directory, you need to import something called OS. OS is the library that gives you access to the functions which allow you to see where stuff is. Right, so what are we going to do is, if we come back, ignore my notes because that's for a bit later, right, in another video. I don't know why I just jumped that in there. Okay, what you can do is you can literally find out where you are. Where's your code running? Let's ask the question, where is my code running? So I can do that, right? In fact, what I really want to do is put it in a print statement so it pops it into the shell. So where is this code running? That's the question that I'm asking in that particular thing. OS refers to the library, right? It's imported the OS. You might have some issues with it, but we shall see. And it didn't like that because I mistyped it, I believe. Give me a second. Let's get back to the code. It is get CW, right? Get. If you look at the actual code, in my rush to kind of make the point to you, I kind of didn't pay attention to it. It should be get CW. So get me my current directory, my location. Again, the error was quite clear what was going on, and if you pay attention to those errors, they're great. So that is actually where I'm running this code from. My users folder, my name, and a folder within, and that's where I am. Now, essentially for this video, I'm not going to say much more other than to encourage you to play with changing directories, reading the directory, and all that kind of stuff. What I'd like to really focus on in the next video is how to open a file and read from a file, because that's a much more powerful technique and a concept that's really, really useful. So we'll stop this make this video shorter and allow you to and encourage you to do that.